Okay guys, welcome back. B is for boost, and well, it's January 2021. Been a while since I've uploaded, but really, I've been talking to the camera at least twice a week, maybe 3 times a week. So we have videos, we just haven't edited them, we haven't put them up. And there's a reason, because we started some projects, we'd start doing videos on it, and then the projects fell to the wayside. Some cars got sold, some things got moved around, and well, we really threw a wrench into a lot of stuff. So let me show you what's new on the channel. So this, you know, we're going to show you the NYG, but then we'll continue the videos of it, so we'll bring you up to date to where we're at. Stuff like that, right? So let's get on with it. First things first, you guys all know the Plymouth Neon ACR. If you look at it this time, guys, there's no interior. There's no interior, there's no back seats. So the Viper seats are out of it right now as we speak. And well, there's no dash. There's a reason behind this. That is the reason. We swapped everything to an SRT4, and that's where we are right now with this. We are going to Sidewinder. Why would I swap this to SRT4? Why is there so much traffic? As soon as I start recording, it's like non-stop. Okay, I always said I wouldn't swap this to SRT4, guys, but we sold the SRT4. So originally, I was going to take the SRT swap that we had, a spare one, and we were going to do, can you buy and build 350 horsepower car for $3,000 Canadian? That's a lot to ask for. We started to build. Maybe if you guys want me to post the videos, I will. But we ended up getting ripped off on a few parts. The car was rotten, because what do you expect? I think we paid $200 for a car that we were going to turbo. So we decided, you know what? We sold the SRT. We got rid of that car we were working on, and I still had this clean shell, and I had all the parts. So I said, you know what? Let's make 600 horsepower at an NYG. So that's the plan. We got a Sidewinder that we are working with another guy. We're going in an SXE 356 bog water and a whole bunch of parts. We want 600 horsepower. We did have the blue PT Cruiser that we cut the quarter panels off. It was really rusty, guys. It had a lot of sentimental value, but unfortunately, I just found a different one. I'm going to show you the good side first. There will be videos on this as well from when we bought it. We lowered it. No sense showing you that video. We've already done it once. We've done it twice. It's the same thing. I just took the springs off the one for this one. We do have air ride still. I still have the full quarters I'll put on this. Underneath is solid. Now, we did make an exhaust, which I'll get the video up. I'll post a video of this. It has a red door, because for some reason, I had a troubleshoot, but when you do this, the door drops. The window drops. That never happened. So I changed the regulator, changed the module, and it ended up being the door handle sensor. So, this is parts for the next project. Let me do a cold start on this. Now, I've been told it shoots flames, so I kind of want to see it on video. But that is our, I think we did $100 exhaust on this. 3-inch off of a WRX dual quad pipes at the back. It sounds really good, actually. So we are taking off where we left off with the blue PT that was pretty sentimental. I put the interior from blue one into this one. I'm going to paint this. It's a whole different series. We are adding nitrous. We want to run low 12s, high 11s with this car. So we have that. Now, unfortunately, the blue truck sold. The white Camaro sold. I had a trailer we were doing a series on that we rebuilt and sold. The Roadster sold. That's 4. I think there might be a couple other things. SRT sold. That's 5. We have 2 cars going for scrap. That's 6, 7. And then we have 1 more for sale as we speak. That will be 8 cars. So I wanted a tow rig. I always need a truck, so this is the next project on the channel. This is a 2001 GMC Sierra step side, but as you see, it's been hit in the front. So I've already had this to the garage for an alignment. It couldn't align. They say that they think maybe the upper control arm is bent, so we are going to change some front end accessories and pray to God that the frame's not bent. Hopefully. I did buy this off an old guy. Watch this, watch this. Oh my God. Now, like anything, I did buy door pins already. Let's see here. This should fire up. Nothing special, guys. 4.8 V8, 4-wheel drive, but it's a step side and a regular cab, so I had to have it. This one might sound a little better. So it's not bad. I probably shouldn't be revving it up right off the bat because it's not even warm. I think that's the last thing you want to be doing, but hey, I just did it. So the box is in good shape. There's a little bit of condensation. It's been parked for probably about 2 weeks since I bought it. We are going to do some stuff with it. We are going to change the front end to an 03 GMC. Watch the parts are over there. That's going to be actually started tomorrow. So I'll probably post this video today. Tomorrow I'm going to jump on the GMC. So the parts rig is still here, which is our free Honda Fit V6. And for anyone that doesn't know, yes, there is a J-swap in there. So we kept our drag car because, hey, it was free and I kind of want to see it done and I want to show you guys that. So we did it. You come over here and you have Jeff's garbage. I say that, but so we have the NYG Dodge Neon ACR NYG, and then we have another Dodge Neon Coupe that is in better shape than this car. So why do we need two? Well, I gave that one to Jeff. This one's rotten. We're gonna make an exoskeleton car. We are gonna cut the roof, we're gonna cut the quarters, we're gonna take the fenders, we're gonna take the doors. We're gonna piss off a lot of people, to be honest, but that is the game plan for that. So let's see here. We talked about the Neons, the 3 of them. We got rid of the SRT, we talked about that. We got the Fit, we got the truck, we got the PT Cruiser. Well, you know, let's see what else there is. All right, so here is the parts here for the GMC. We're gonna swap that over. I'll do the video on it. We have to put a rad support in there. That's hit really weird. I'll have to show the video. This is going for junk. That Prius is going for junk. That Prius should go for junk, but for some reason we are going to fix it. Now you guys would say, what's the big deal with that? Oh God. If you guys can see the mold. Whoo, she stinks. Look at the mold. Wow. That is nasty. We are going to clean that up and see if we can turn a profit on that car. It only has like 190,000 kilometers. Now, for most people, this is the reason why you're here and the garage is a mess. Here is the Civic truck. Didn't go anywhere. We have been working on it, but we had to wait on parts. And, you know, with anything, it takes time. So, here is our Civic project. We did switch it to VTEC already. New head gasket, time belt, water pump, ARP head studs. And we're in the middle of putting it back together. But like always, we're missing like some studs for the exhaust manifold. They have to come in. We got to modify the intercooling piping. And we're just slowly putting it back together with our wire tuck. And we did hood struts. Which, we got videos and all this, guys. But I just haven't posted it because it's kind of confusing. I don't know where I should start off. Should I show you the $3,000 build that we were doing? And then should I follow that into the NYG build? Because they all go together. So like, we were building this $3,000, 350 horsepower car. And then when we scrapped it, we were talking about the NYG, and that's how we got onto the NYG project, and so forth and so forth. So they all kind of go together. So I'm giving you an insight of the future before you see the past, I guess. So we did order a rear strut bar. I'm a big fan of that. Jeff isn't, only because you can't really use the bed if you want it something long. But what I'm going to do is just take a ratchet, put it in the glove box, and if I ever need to put something in here, it's literally 4 bolts. That would pop off, and then you could use that normally. So we're going to end up bedlining this and finishing this off. We're going to start carbon fiber this week and next as well. So you guys will start getting into the carbon fiber build stuff, which will be kind of interesting. And then you have the ACR seats and parts everywhere for a Neon. So you come out here, and this is the last car, guys. Wow, it's the last car that's here, and right now it's just a storage shelf. 2011 Camaro SS V8 RS convertible, LS3 6-speed. It needs to be painted, so quite frankly, I don't care what sits on it. I say painted, it was painted previously by a body shop before me, and they just did a terrible job. There's dirt in places, there's overspray. I'm just gonna sand it, scuff it, paint it, and do it properly my way. So that's sitting here, and that's that. Now the orange supercharged Camaro is in Ontario at my brother's shop. That's being repaired since the accident. So that will be there. I don't know if you guys ever knew about that. I'm pretty sure you did. So that is there. And then I still have my 40 Royale, maybe. I think I told the shop to shove it up their ass. It's been 7 years. I should have done it myself. we're just going to leave it at that. I honestly don't know what's going on with that. So that is what we have. These 3 Priuses are going with all the scrap weight. The blue one's being fixed and sold, and we're going to start the truck tomorrow. So this video I'm going to post tonight. The truck build will be posted tomorrow. I'll start it, and then we'll be going to like every other day for videos again. So hopefully you guys are kind of up to date. The PT has some videos. You know, I have videos of all the projects, but like I said, I felt kind of weird posting them. And then if you guys follow me on Instagram, B is for Boost, you would see that we've had these projects and no one knows what's going on with videos. And that's why. It's been very hectic. I figured I'd get rid of some projects to try to simplify life and give you guys some more content and do more that I want. Like I wanted projects done. Done projects are better. So thanks a lot, guys. We'll definitely catch you on the next one. I don't know what is it with traffic. I do apologize. And the next video is going to be, technically the truck is going to be started tomorrow, but maybe I'll start posting videos of the PT to get you up to date to the 3000 project, which I'm bringing you back into the Civic truck. Thanks a lot.